The recent updates to Keynote numbers and pages have added lots of new features. They've also added lots of new buttons, and in particular added purple buttons right to the toolbar at the top of the screen, which is, if you're like me, a little bit troublesome. But don't worry, because you can get rid of these buttons, and while you're there, I'll show you how you can customize your toolbars in each app to make it work really effectively and efficiently for you. So I'm in Keynote right now, and what I'm going to do is swipe down from the top to bring the menu bar up, and then I'm going to choose View, and at the bottom, Customise Toolbar. Now this works in most of Apple's apps and some third-party apps as well, and it brings up a screen of icons like this. At this stage, we can drag and drop icons either away from the toolbar or put new ones into the toolbar. And you best believe I'm getting rid of all the purple ones first. All of those AI features are still accessible in Keynote. I'm not deleting them. They just don't need to be right there front and center the whole time. Instead, I'm going to put some tools there that I do use a lot, like moving objects to the front or back layer and locking and unlocking things. And I can simply drag and drop and even rearrange on that toolbar. When I'm finished, I'm going to press the little tick icon, and just like that, Keynote is now personalized to exactly how I want to use it, with the tools that I need front and center. And this works on numbers and pages and all sorts of other apps too, and it really is worth giving it a go to make these tools more productive for you. And if you've enjoyed this quick tip, I think you're going to really like this one next as well.